So today is Mylo's recheck examination and bandage removal day. I'm gonna remove off the bandage. The toe has healed. Yeah, you just hold my phone. It's okay, Mylo. He doesn't wobble. He doesn't limp. He is walking very nicely. He was on medication for 10 to 14 days. And after that, how many days it took for the bird to to be able to walk properly?
Around 5 to 7 days it
Five to
took him.
seven days.
Yeah.
But when we started medication, after how many days Mylo started eating food?
Second day almost.
Okay. Yes, Mylo. Good girl. Show me too. Nice. Very nice. Good girl. You have to be very careful, while removing this bandage. Yeah, he's feeling angry now. It's okay, Mylo. Fine. Let me do this job. Yeah. Nice. See that? That's gangrene blood. That wound has healed very well, but the nail is dead now.
Okay.
Nail there won't be this nail won't be growing because nails once they're damaged, it won't regrow.
Okay. But
See
no
that? But we have
bleeding,
saved
nothing
her.
will happen,
We
right?
have saved her toe now. So I'm gonna give you an ointment. You have to apply on this foot, so that there'll be faster healing. For 4 to 5 days, you have to apply on his toes.
Okay.
You need to apply once a day,
Okay.
and no oral medication, nothing like that. Because there is still bruising. You see that? It's bruising. So with the help of this ointment, bruising will reduce.
Just once a day, right?
Yeah, just once a day. You need to take a towel
Okay.
and just grab from the back and just gently
Apply
massage
and move,
on this
yeah.
toe. Yes, I'm very happy to see that we saved her toe. You see that?
Yeah.
Yes. And just we want to check whether he is able to walk properly or not. So I'm gonna leave him back on the top of the cage. See that? Very beautiful bird.
Yeah.
How old he is now? 1+?
1+ around, yeah.
Yeah. Even if he licks that ointment, there is
No
no
issues.
harm. Yes. Can you walk, Mylo? Okay. See.
I just
After many days, the bandage is off, no? So
That's
he is
right.
feeling a little bit of strange and weird kind of feeling. Yes. Mylo, good bird. We say thank you so much for allowing me to help you. Mylo, baby, good bird. Very nice, thank you. Yeah, you need to apply that 3 to 4 days. That's it. And that one day's healing actually, skin, you see that still,
Dry.
yeah, it's dry, and still there is 10% of healing is left. So that's why he is just securing his that toe. He doesn't want
No
to
need
get
of more
more
bandage, right?
No,
For
no
one
need of bandage anymore. It is already healed. Only 10% is remaining from the tip, but we don't need to. But we need to put that ointment. No? So that's why we are not gonna
No
put the bandage. You need to just put that ointment. I'm gonna show you how to hold a bird
Okay.
with a towel and how to
Oh no, I'll get other towel. Wait, one.
secure and how to apply the ointment. You're gonna take this towel, okay? Gently go close. Talk to him, just calm him. It's okay, Mylo just. Okay. It's a two people walk. So once I've grabbed, make sure the head is out and we cover like this. And you're gonna take that ointment. Hold up from back like this. You do not squeeze the chest.
Okay.
Do not cover the full head. You take that ointment and rub on the toes like this.
Okay.
That's it. And don't squeeze. You don't make sure don't squeeze
Bird is
the
not
chest
damaged.
and the back
Okay.
because that will
Damage the other
cause
parts. Yeah.
suffocation.
Yeah.
Mylo, you're a very good girl. Thank you so much. Your toe has healed. You're absolutely okay. I think no nails have overgrown, so I need to trim the nails as well.
Okay.
You can stop the phone. You want to give